Hello, it's Patrick here from the GarageBandGuide.com. GarageBand for Mac has half a dozen or so project templates that let you jump right into a project with specific track types already set up for you. It's definitely handy for some users, but did you know there's a way to set up and save your own custom templates? In this quick tip video, I'll show you how. Okay, first off, open a new empty project and set up the tracks that you want to be present in your custom template. Next, add any plugins, effects, EQ settings, all that kind of stuff to these tracks so that it will be as convenient as possible for you to plug in and get started when you load up this project template. For example, I have this bass guitar track set up that uses Clevgren's Stark plugin to generate the sound. It has its EQ set up the way I like, and a noise gate active to tame any rough bum notes or unwanted sounds while recording. With all the tracks you require set up the way you'd want them to be when starting a new project, select Save As from the File menu in the toolbar, and I'll name this one Rock Project Template, I guess. I'll choose to save the file to my desktop, which will make the next step a little bit easier. Now, if I close the project and then quit GarageBand, you can see the file is right there on my desktop. Now, what I can do is drag this single project template into my dock and then have access to it whenever I want to start a new rock type project. Or I can add a new folder called, say, GarageBand Project Templates and drag that file into my dock. I can then add different individual template projects to this file and then have access to as many different templates as I want when I want them. That about does it for this quick tip. I've been Patrick from the GarageBandGuide.com. Bye for now.